guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a fun, colorful look for you guys. I kind of just dove into my makeup and created this look for you guys, so I hope that you guys really enjoy it. First of all, before we get into the video, I want to say please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Brooke. I post makeup tutorials on the weekly, and I really would love your subscription to my channel. It would mean so much to me. So please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started with today's video.
First, I'm going to take Peach Smoothie by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush to blend this into my crease and use this as my first transition shade. Next, I'm taking Chickadee by Makeup Geek, and I'm putting this slightly tighter in my crease to slightly deepen it and also to add warmth. Now I'm taking Burnt Orange by Anastasia, and this is not necessary, but I'm a little crazy, so I love to layer my crease shade, so I'm just putting this in there to help enhance the overall effect that the crease has. Now I'm taking Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek, and I'm putting this as the tightest shade in my crease to further enhance the definition. Then I'm taking a clean blending brush just to make sure everything is blended and seamless. Now I'm taking this blue shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this as a base for all of the shadows that I use on my lid. At first I'm going to apply this with a synthetic brush and just pat it onto the lid, and then I'm going to be going in with a fluffier brush just to blend out the edges. Now I'm taking the shadow, which is Mermaid by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to pat this over top of the first shade to start to build the blue color that I'm going for, because I don't want it to be too much of that indigo color, but I also don't want it to be this bright blue color either, so I'm just going back and mixing the two together until I get my desired shade. Now I'm just going to go in and take this shade from the same palette and just tap it over and blend over that area that I was just working in, partly to blend it out, but also because I kind of blended away the warmth that I had originally put in the crease, so I'm just adding that back in there. And then I'm taking this purple shade and I'm going to apply it to the outer corner and run it slightly into the crease to add more definition. This also helps to add vibrancy to the base shadow that we have on, because it does have a mixture of both a purple and a blue tone in it, so I feel like this just looks really nice together. Now I'm just taking this light blue shade from the same palette, and I'm tapping this towards the center of my lid to add some lightness to the eye and also to add a pop of that blue iridescent shade. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this new Morphe Gel Liner that I picked up, and I'm just going to do a slight wing with this. I absolutely love this liner. It is so creamy and so blendable, and it's so easy to work with, but at the same time it dries to such a nice matte black. So if you guys have the opportunity to try this, I would definitely pick it up because it's really good. And then I'm going to be taking this shade right here just as a base for my highlight because I want to go over top of it with glitter, but I just wanted to make sure I had something for the glitter pigment to kind of have a base for. And now I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner. This is in the shade Lucky Bitch, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner and kind of pull it under to my lower waterline. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to blend this onto my lower lash line and smoke it out. Next, I'm applying a quick coat of the Monsieur Big Mascara by Lancome, and then I'm going to apply lashes and do my brows off camera. The lashes I'm using today are the Amore lashes by KoKo lashes, and as always, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer pencil to fill in my brows. Now I wanted to show two lip options today, so the first lip option I'm going to be showing you is going to be the Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Native, and then over top of it I put my nude Dior gloss. But overall, this was just a little bit too pink for me. I didn't love it. So then I went in with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me, and then I also topped it off with the same gloss. And I definitely prefer that lip better than the first one. But feel free to use whatever lip shade you want. I feel like you could take this and run really wild and do like a dark, deep purple. I think that would have been really cool. It's just I don't have that, so I used what I had.
So this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked today's video. I wanted to try something different and colorful and just kind of challenge myself, so that's what I did today. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That means so much to me when you guys interact. I love commenting with you guys and talking back and forth, and I love seeing that you guys like the videos that I make because I really try to make them good for you. So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.